Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial on how to add your Capital One Savor card to PayPal. If you're tired of juggling multiple payment methods or just want seamless online shopping, this is for you. Let's get started. It's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you have your Capital One Savor card handy. You'll need the card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Now, open up the PayPal app on your phone or head to the PayPal website on your computer and log into your account. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, it's quick to set one up. Just follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Look for an option that says, Add a card, or Link a new payment method. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Type in your Capital One Savor card number, the expiration date, and that 3-digit CVV code. Don't forget to add your name as it appears on the card for verification purposes. After you've entered everything, hit Save or Add Card. PayPal might ask you to verify the card through a small test transaction or by confirming via your bank's app. This is just for security, so go ahead and approve it if everything looks good. Once it's verified, your Capital One Savor card will be ready to use for all your PayPal purchases. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the card not being accepted, double-check that it's activated with Capital One and that there are no holds on your account. This process usually takes just a couple of minutes and can save you so much time in the long run. There you have it. You're all set. Now you can enjoy the rewards from your Savor card on everyday buys through PayPal. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.